my world.
First, we're going to take our black soap and we're going to lather it up really, really good in our hands. And we're going to put it on our face and we're going to make sure we rub it in really, really well. In circles. In circular motions. Yep, just like she said. Get all that good grit, grime, makeup, whatever the case might be. Make sure you're getting it off your face. Now we're going to go wash it off. And after we wash it off, now it's time to make our paste. We got our apple cider vinegar, black charcoal, and also the bentonite clay. We're going to stir all that up together with a plastic bowl and also a plastic fork. Make sure it's plastic. Do not use metal when you mix this stuff. So you just want to apply it with your fingertips all over your face like so. Get that clay in there. Now, the more you put on does not mean the more it works. You want to make sure you even it out when you put it on. So make sure you just even it out really, really well. Like you're so silly. We're just going to make sure we have it on really, really good. And now we're just going to let it dry. Let's take a nap and we'll be back. And when we come back, we'll be able to wash it all off. Now that it's all dry, our faces are tight. Woo! The stuff is dry. So now we're just going to get ready to wash it all off. Woo! Now our faces are good, clean, fresh, and dry. We got our sea breeze and witch hazel. Now I use sea breeze.
I don't use sea breeze because it's too strong for my face.
Lucky uses witch hazel. So we're just going to go, we're going to clean our faces with that sea breeze, ladies. If you have really oily skin, sea breeze is definitely yours. Now it's going to sting a little bit, but it's going to make your face feel really refreshed. Now we're going to go in with our
shea butter.
No, Lacey. Witch hazel.
Oh.
I'm going to use witch hazel too.
So we're just going to take that witch hazel. We're going to clean our faces. Ooh, feeling good, feeling great.
Out your face.
So what's next, Lucky?
Shea butter.
Shea butter. Lucky be having such a hard time with this witch hazel. Let me help you out, baby. There you go.
Now come with shea butter.
So we use Souffle. So it's really, really soft, and all you need is a little bit. And what you're gonna do is rub it into your face.
Yep, in circle motion.
Remember, don't forget to rub in those circular motions.
With your fingertips.
Okay, so we got it in, moisturized. Lucky's rubbing hers in a little bit more. But ladies, we are all done. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram,